Hello, this is a tutorial for students on how to use Alma. On your computer, open any browser and in the address box type isaac.getalma.com. Log in using the username and the password provided to you from school, or sign in with Google using your school email. I'm going to show you how it appears. So you have the home, where you can see an overview of your day, the to-do list, classes, attendance. I'll come back to that later. Under home, there's a calendar. The calendar is the school calendar with the days that the semester or the term starts, any days off or holidays that you may have. Let's go back to home then. And first of all, the overview, you can see your schedule for that day and any assignments related to it, your teacher, and next to it, the mail icon where you can communicate with that specific teacher. To do, it shows you all the assignments that you need to do. Since we don't have any school these days, so you won't be able to see anything here. Classes, all your classes, all the subjects, their teacher, the grade in that subject, and anything related to it. Also, you can see here next to the name of the teacher, the mail icon where you can send an email to your teacher to communicate with her. Attendance, how many days you're absent, how many days you're late, and so on. On top here to the right corner next to your initials, there's the notification, any notification from school sent to you. These are the previous communications from school. Okay. I'll go back to home and I will show you. I'll explain a little bit more about the to-do. To-do, normally you will see a list of all the assignments that you need to do, but you will not be able to do these assignments here. They're only a notification of assignments that need to be done on Google Classroom. You can see them better here. Let's look here in science. For example, you have an assignment, homework, what are some forms of energy? If you click on it, you will see the specification, what you need to do. But in order to do this assignment, you need to log in to Google Classroom, which I will be showing it later in a different tutorial. Okay, now let's see how you can communicate with the teacher. Click on the mail icon. And this is, for example, the science teacher, Miss Rita. You have to write in here a subject. You can send a clarification about something. You type the body of the message. You can add an attachment, a picture, an image, or a copy of your page that you need to clarify, and then you click on send. The teacher will receive this email through her school email, and if she needs to reply to you, you will receive a reply on your school email, not on Alma. So basically this is it. In To Do, you can see the assignments from in chronological order. The first one that you need to do, or the soonest, the one that needs to be done, from newest to oldest. The same thing, you can see your assignments under classes. If you missed any assignment that is not done on time, and it will not appear anymore on the to-do list, you can go to classes and you can click on that specific subject. Let's check here again, science. you need to check what assignments you have in science, and here you can see a list of all the assignments that are posted by your teacher. And this is what I meant about the days, the due dates of the assignments. The newest will be on top and the oldest will be at the bottom. Okay, you click on that specific assignment that you missed, can click, you can see whatever you need to do, and then again you have to do it on Google Classroom. Your grades will be shown in the classes. Next to classes, you can see the grade, the overall grade for that subject. If you want to check specification about the different categories of the grades, you click on that subject and you can see the different categories of that subject. So basically this is it for Alma. I will be posting another tutorial on Google Classroom, how to use it and how you can access assignments, turn in assignments, and so on. Alma is synced with Google Classroom, so all the assignments and grades on Google Classroom will also be on Alma. So basically all the assignments that need to be done has to be done on Google Classroom. The grade that you get and these assignments, you will all see them on Alma too.